Can we switch lanes? No, it's all the same.
This is the luggage. Okay, this is where we're gonna drop our luggage.
I'm gonna wave to everyone.
Okay, we're here in the parking area.
Wave to all workers. Yeah, we'll wave to everyone. Oh wow, that's a lot to pick up. Don't worry, guys.
So we have to ride a shuttle bus, guys.
Keep going.
Comes that there.
We should get to Jersey in 12 hours. Let's go.
Casey.
It's got a $2 bill in its tip jar.
Kendra. Hello.
You can go to your master station. It's one deck up.
Where's that at?
One deck up, sir. Master station.
See. Hey, we can take a picture of 4 of us. Dada, will let you press it. Sa ship. Sa barko. Yan yung Carnival Sunshine. Where's Kendra? And there's Asia in there. Alright, we're here in our room, guys, in 5319 Carnival Sunshine. It's the outside view right now. Tada! Asia. Yeah, that couch will be a bed, right? Their water is $4.25. And this is what we order.
Flushing noise is so
We ordered this
loud.
online. So we have
Hey, do you
4
need to-
cups, Pepsi. Pepsi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cans of Pepsi. There's the TV. Asia is trying the hair dryer. Here's the couch.
Try it on me.
And here's Kendra. That's their bathroom, guys.
And Asia's doing the blow dryer, which has hot air. By the way, what do we put this in now? I'll just place down there for now.
Their hangers, life jacket. Actually, we have 6 now. 4 in the cabinet. Second cabinet. Wow, we should not bring hangers with us. Third one. There you go. And this is the safe. And it's their smoke.
Tip number 5.
Ta-da. Okay, we don't unload our things, guys. We just arrived. So I'm just showing you the room right now.
Girl.
Now I do come to you from the state of Virginia. Where my Virginians at? Make some noise. But I ended up going to school in the state of North Carolina. Where are my North Carolinians? First up, we got your playlist. Pop champagne, 'cause we got that. Let me hear you say, you wanna say, hey. Here we go. Next up, taking care of your kids. I need you to make
Hey, Isha.
This one came in at the casino.
Come on, girls.
Daddy, that's why they sing it. I'm watching the ocean. It's actually very pretty. Cruiser 2. But I thought you were a mistake.
Kendra.
How'd you get a small one?
This is our second day.
Hey, that's my line.
Okay, you can say it now.
Probably stole your line.
You have to think of a new line now, Kendra. This is the second day on the cruise.
We're heading due south because there's the sun right there.
Oh my.
Does that mean, wait, is the Bahamas supposed to be equator?
And look at my plate. Huh? Where's Kendra now? You're good, you're good. No, you're good. Hey, Daddy's asking what do you want to drink? Anything diet. Wow, ang lawak ng dagat. Bukas nasa ano na kami guys. Half Moon Cay.
You see that pink stuff in the ocean? That's coral. Coral.
Okay naman.
Coral. I'm taken.
From the mountains, on a clear day, you can see mountains on that side. We can be in Wilson Creek fishing, or we can be in
That's my stepdad up north, and I wish that
You're
I
not
could
in
go
LA.
but he's so diehard, very strong.
well, up north we were the same way. I had